Alright gang, here we are. Got this early to mid 80s Sears GTV16 drive tractor. Got this blower with it, 16 horse opposed Briggs, chains, weights, and this super duper custom weight box. Look at that thing, it's awesome. Anyway, gonna do a fab on this thing. It runs really well. Snowblower works good. The drive belt's in tatters, so that's the whole reason I got the whole thing apart. So I just decided, hey, let's give it a new paint job. So I got the rear fenders over there. Side panels looked a bit involved, so I'm just gonna leave those the way they are and get them prepped off the vehicle, on the vehicle rather. Front grille, the tins are all going to sandblast tomorrow. Gonna get these wheels off, get those done. Get the rear frame rails all prepped out yet tonight. Get some etch primer on them. And then just get it some single stage black. Nothing spectacular in this boy. Just gonna keep putting her to service. So not a big deal. I'm gonna get these wheels and tires off quick like, and then get her up on stands, get the frame rail sanded out, and keep on trucking. So hope this comes out okay for you dudes, and we'll go from there. I'll just set this thing here. Hopefully it'll stay. But let's roll. Lazy man's way of doing things. Holy Christ. I don't think those things have been off since the Stone Age. Zippity zap these guys. Oh yeah. I think these seen the outdoor environment. So the weights on them, they're like brand new. I don't think I'm gonna run them out at all. It's tiring, that thing's junk. So there we got that. Got some sweet spider eggs in there. So that's what we got so